Hello everyone, so welcome to the Code for Everyone, and today we are going to discuss the reversal linked list using the recursion, right? And this is one of the very favorite questions for the interviewer. So this question has been asked in some of the tier 1 company in the interview. So let's take, so for example, suppose here you have been given one head of the linked list and you need to reverse. For example, if you have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and null, your answer should be 4, 3, 2, 1 and null. So this would be input and this would be output. So how we are going to solve this problem? So in the recursions, what we are going to do, so we'll iterate all the node until it reaches to the tail. And we are using the recursion, so definitely we need to think about the base case, right? So initially head will be 1, it will move to 2, then 3, then 4, and as soon as it reaches to the tail node, right? So I will return this node and we will make this node as head node. Okay. So yeah, so iterate till tail node, right? Second, fix the head node next pointer. So iteration is little bit tricky. So as we know that whenever we see whenever we do any kind of recursions call, right? So internally our program uses the stack. So first it's going to be, suppose we have one stack, right? We have 1, 2, we have 3 and we have 4, and initially 1 is pointing to 2, 2 is pointing 3, 3 is pointing 1. Okay. So as soon as we reaches till 4, because this is a tail node, and we will make this as head. Okay, and we will return this head, and when it call the recursion stack, now the next 3 will become head. So once 3 will become head, what we are going to do here, we will ask head dot next. So the important part is head dot next is head, right? And then make head dot next equal to null. So iterate till the tail node and return the tail node and make the tail node as head node and fix the next pointer. So if you very closely, if you look here, so right now 3 is pointing, so this becomes the head. So head dot next, right? So head dot next is 4, okay, and dot next, right? We are telling point to the head. So now it's pointing head, and we are making head dot next to be null. So we are removing this next pointer. Let me make this diagram once again. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this 1 is pointing 2, 2 is pointing 3, 3 is pointing 4. So as soon as we reach to the tail node, tail node will become head, and we will return this head, and we will try to will take one new node which is going to point this node, right? Now next, what is going to happen in the recursion call, it will move to the next pointer, and we are telling head dot next dot next. So head dot next is 4, so 4 is going to point here, and head dot next we are going to make null, right? Similarly, again, when this head reaches to till 2, so this 3 next is going to point 2, and we are going to make 2 dot head dot next is null. Then similar, we will once head move to the 1, right? So head dot next is 1, so then 2 is going to point 1, okay, and we can make this null, and head dot next, so 1 is going to point null. So if you remove this next pointer which becomes the null, this is how your linked list is going to looks like, and return this new node or a reverse node. So it's going to look like 4, 3, 2, 1 and null. So okay, so if you're writing code, then reverse, you have been given one head, link node head, right? Link node if return head. So why we have taken this as a base condition? The reason is, if your head is null, so what could be the reverse of null? It's going to be null, right? Second, if you have given 4 dot next, right? If your head is like this, so if you are writing, there is no any sense, right? So we can return the same head. So if the head node is tail node, you can return the same node, and if your head node is null, you can return the null, right? And next, what we are going to do, link node reverse road, call recursively reverse head dot next, right? Then head dot next is going to refer head, and head dot next, the old reference of next, is going to be null, and return reverse node. So this is all about reverse a linked list using iteration. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Solve the problem, right? So first we'll as we have already discussed the algorithm for how we are going to solve using the recursively, right? So if head is null, or head dot next equal to null, return head, right? Then second, what we are going to do, declare one node, reverse node, okay, and call this using the recursion. Okay, then head dot next is going to be head, and head dot next will become null, and return reverse node. So the solution is very simple here, right? And try to run this code. Okay, return. Nice, done. Okay, so the performance goes 97.85.